When we're camping in the truck, we can't always find a perfectly level camp spot, so we built this leveling stovetop so we can always adjust the stove to be quite level regardless of where we park.
We built 3 adjustment points so that you can level it from the back or from either of the sides, and this allows us to level it within about 2 degrees, which is usually enough. It's built simply with some right angle brackets that have a slot that's the right thickness to allow these clamping knob threads to fit through. And then we have some ball head joints that they attach to so that they can pivot a little bit as it goes up and down, and the angle changes between the platform and the bracket. And then finally, it's just some plastic sheets that we cut to have a platform that the stove sits on. So overall, it was pretty easy to build, and it's been really helpful being able to level off the stove in case we're just like a degree or 2 off while camping.